Welcome, here I've got ARCHOS Diamond Gamma and I'm gonna show you the top tricks of its camera. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's see what we've got here. Let me start by using this settings bar. As you can see, by going to the right or left, we can easily change the modes of this camera. We have the beauty mode, video mode, standard photo mode, Pro mode, and when we go to the left to the camera family, we have access to other modes of this camera. So I'm not going to speak about all of this now because I don't have much time. I suggest you to making experiments with that and just have a good fun. Now let's go back to the standard photo mode, and let me start here by tapping on the screen anywhere like that. As you can see, here we have this square with a ring and with the sun icon. So the square is the focusing, and when we tap a little bit longer on the sun icon, we get access to the exposure compensation, so we can manage the light of the picture. As you can see, we can make it more bright or dark as we need. This is how it works. And when we separate this, we can separately adjust the focusing and the exposure compensation. So this is really cool option that we can use this both at the same time, and we can also separate this like that. Now let's have a look how to zoom. We can do it by using two fingers, so we can get closer. Also we have this slider when we do it, so we can zoom more precisely, and we can also go back. So this is really cool. Now let's have a look at this settings bar. Let's go from the right. By tapping on this button, we get access to some filters, so we can make our photos more beautiful before we take it. For example, let's pick now negative film. As you can see, this is how it looks like. We can pick the fisheye also. For now, let me stay on the normal, and let's have a look at the second button here. So here we can adjust the camera timer. We can change the delay of taking picture for 3, 5 or 10 seconds. As you can see, for now let me pick 3 seconds to show you how it works. As you can see, here starts the countdown. So when we take a picture, it goes, and the picture now was taken with 3 seconds of delay. So this is really cool. Now let's have a look at this button. Here we have the flash. We can turn on the flash every time we take a picture. We can also turn it on the auto, so the camera recognizes when it's needed, when it's too dark, and also we can easily turn it off here. Now let's have a look at the HDR. Here we can turn it on and turn it off. So this is how it works. I suggest you to use this sometimes because this helps to improve the details in the brightest and darkest areas of our picture, and it really makes our photos, especially landscapes, more colorful, lightful, and it's really cool. So for now, let me keep this turned off, and let's go to this button here at the left corner. When we pick this, we get access to more buttons we can manage, and let me start with the grid. By using this, we can turn on and turn off the camera grid lines. So these are the help lines. As you can see, the yellow color suggests us that this is turned on. When we are in the camera preview, we can see that these lines looks like that. So this is helpful when we want to use the rule of third in photography, for example, or making experiments with composition. And of course, by going again to the settings in the left corner and tapping on this, we can easily turn it off. So for now, they are gone. Now let's move to the location tags button here. By using this, we can also turn it off and turn it on. So the yellow color also suggests us here that this is turned on, and this allows us to save the location of our pictures. But remember, here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of the picture, we have to be connected with the internet. For example, here with the Wi-Fi. So let me connect. And also we have to turn on the GPS of this device. So these two parameters are important to make work the camera location tags here. So now let's go back here. As you can see, this is turned on. Let me stay on this and let me take a picture. And now let's move here to this button in the left corner. By tapping on this, we get quick access to the gallery. And this is the picture I've taken. To check its location, we have to go to the right corner. By tapping on this, we have to pick details. And here we have the location with the full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. This is how it works. And now let's go back to the camera and to the settings in the left. And let's move to the shooter sound now. By tapping on this, we can turn on and turn off the camera sounds. As you can see, also the yellow color suggests us that this is turned on. And now let's move to this button, picture ratio. So here we can change aspect ratio of the camera. Now it's 4:3. By tapping on this, we can pick 1:1. And in the camera preview, we can see that this changed to the √1 ratio. When we go to this once again and tap on this, we can go to 16:9, and also here the camera preview, so the camera frame has changed to the longer one. And once again, when we tap on this, we go back to 4:3, the original one. So this is how it works here. And now let's stay on the settings. Let's go to the gradienter. By tapping on this, we can turn it on and turn it off. Let me keep this turned on now. So this option is here in the shutter. As you can see, we have these green signs, and it shows us when our device is stable and in the right position. So it is helpful when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. As you can see, this is how it works. So I can show you much closer this. And of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the settings, tap on this. So for now, this is turned off. And now let's go again to the left corner. Also here we have one cool option, touch screen shutter. When we tap on this, we can turn it on and turn it off. And this is really easy way to taking pictures, because when we have this turned on, we can take a picture without using this shutter. We can do it by just tapping anywhere at the screen like that, as you can see. Now it's taking the pictures. So this is really cool. Now let's move to this more settings. When we tap on this, we get access to some advanced camera settings. As you can see, we have the basic settings and the advanced in this kind of settings. So in the basic, interesting thing is mirror mode, that here we can turn it off and turn it on. So we can flip our selfies when we have this. And in the advanced settings, we have the watermark of the Nubia. So by using this button, we can turn it on and turn it off also. For now, let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. And once again, let's go to the gallery. As you can see here in the left corner at the bottom, we have this watermark. So this is how it looks like, Neo Vision powered by Nubia. Of course, when we don't want it, we go back to the settings in the left corner, then to more settings, and tap on this. So for now this is turned off. When we take another picture, the watermark should be not visible at it. Also here we have some intelligent settings like snapshot, intelligent noise reduction, dynamic zoom, or intelligent power saving. By using these buttons, as you can see, we can turn it on and off. So I suggest you keep this turned on, because this is really cool that we have this. And after managing all of the settings, sometimes we want to go back to the auto settings. We can do it by using this button here in the right corner, so reset, and all of this go back to the auto settings now. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.